In this medium-sized video, we will take a light, medium, then a deep dive to making super sweet chases right inside Resolume that you can tap tempo and match BPM with any performing artist or any situation. We will be almost doing what chaser can do, but this one right inside Resolume Arena. Hi, my name is Junaid Sabbir Ahmed and this video is made out of votes in my channel community. Now, let's just get into point and dive into Resolume Arena. My version is 7.13.1, just an FYI. We will start this demonstration video on the very first stage I have been using for demonstration, almost all my videos. Let me switch the focus mode where I get to focus on clip, layer or composition parameters. To know how to make your own projects better, click on the right top corner. Let's open advanced output by pressing Ctrl Shift or Command Shift A. Let's take a look at the slice what we have and properly name like our old grandpa said. So we have a screen called simulation. We have 4 slices and 1 stage. To make our lives easier, we will rearrange the slices as per we need. Hold on with me, you will know what I'm talking about. Let's drag left to the top, then have center, then maybe right, then both. It's like a clockwise thing. Da 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 da. So we hit save, close and get out of here. So now we will be working on BPM sync system, means this part, so that we can control the speed anytime, slow down like this, or go faster, or tap, maybe resync, or maybe pause and play. To keep everything simple, we will make sure that certain controls are mapped for ease. You know, let's hit Ctrl Shift M or Command Shift M to start MIDI mapping. Let's make our very essentials for this demonstration as simply as possible. Let's map tap to this button, resync to this button. We'll jump into making that BPM half into this button and maybe double into this button. These buttons are fun, these are nudge, so we'll nudge down and this will nudge up. I think so far it's okay. Phew, now we can start. This part is inspired and the idea triggered by Ramanuj Deka. You can find his video right here. I applied his core idea in a different way and I am hoping all of you will come up with newer ideas beyond what I'm about to demonstrate. Note that we will work on this boring mask image, which will help us for now to save them as preset and use them later, so stay with me. Let's press Ctrl or Command and drag this mask image to the right to make a duplicate to start messing on this. Let's try to make this area a little bigger because we'll be needing it. Let's open slices. If you can find them just like me, search it here. Let's drag the slice into this area. So let's make our first chase. Let's drop left, center, right and both onto the image. We have a slice transform here. Let's minimize all the properties we don't need. You see, this is where the arrangement helps. Like I told you so. I told you so. Let's change the main settings to mask. We can change it later if any clip ask it for. So we are gonna work in a chunk like a robot, so concentrate on this part for now and ignore what this preview is showing. Let's unfold all the slices. Let's change all the opacity parameters to BPM sync. So what's going on here is these are 4 beats on a bar we are on and the opacity is going from 0 to 100 from this point to this point. So let's mess with it. So now let's turn on envelope for all the parameters. Don't get scared, this is gonna look really messy. To make it faster, let's use this preset. So what's going on here is our left is turning on 1, turning off 2, turning on 3, turning off 4. So let's just keep this one on 1. Means this is gonna hit on 1. Let's go to the second one. For the next one, means the center one, I'll select the same preset and maybe turn on the 2 like this and turn off 3. So this goes 1 and 2. So you understand what's gonna happen to next. So let me select the press preset. let's turn on 1. So we have 1 2 3, and let's do for the fourth one. We have 1 2 3, and let's go 4. So what's happening is we have a very choppy chase within the BPM. So now you can look at this part and take a look at what's happening here. Oh, cheesy, isn't it? So let's go back to our chaser and let's save it as our preset. Let's name this as, I'm gonna name it a technical name. You can name it whatever you want. Let me say R7 toot. This is gonna be 12.1. For the next one, let's try to use another preset, but the same grammar maybe. Let's try to use this one maybe. Hey, it's look good. So let's select this preset. Let's make 2. Let's go for 3. So same goes for the 4. So you can see what's happening here, and you can also see the chase. Let's save this as another preset. Let's save it as R7 to 12 2.
If you are wondering why I am wearing this mountain jacket in a studio like place like this, because it's 22 degrees Celsius today, which is winter in a 6-season country like this, country called Bangladesh. My YouTube Insight gave me the number of VJs and artists from all over the world visiting this channel. So this is a very great spot for me to endorse my country's arts, motif and patterns. This was an unpaid sponsorship endorsement from my country with love. If you don't know about Bangla art, check this link to check out the fascinating artists from this beautiful land.
For the third one, we will step out a little. Let's start from our first preset, which is beep 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 beep. That's good. We're gonna mess with the center on the second bit. So let's just keep random clicking here, trying to mess up with what's happening here. Hey, this looks fine. Let's try to mess it up more. Maybe more, and maybe let's get this part. Yeah. So our second beat is like crack, and then it goes like 1 1 1, and maybe mess with the fourth one as well. For the booth bar, let's do the same thing. Maybe mess it up it like crazy. Maybe something like this. Let's set the preset as R7 to 12 3. You can name it like human. Now let's see what we can do with the slice transform presets we just made. So let's try the first one on a clip. So our clip is like this. So this is going a little bit chaotic. Let's just tap the tempo like tick tack tick tick tack tick tick tack tick tick tack. So this is in our control. So we can just go like tick tack tick tick tack tick. Go slow and go double, maybe faster, slower, and we can always nudge it down a little and maybe nudge it down to go faster, like this, or again tick tick tack tick tick tack tick tick. So let's drag a footage like this and drop it on top of the footage we just made. Let's drop the second preset on top of this. This is very good pumpy we just made. Looks good. How about in this case we're gonna use the preset as the starting point, but we're gonna use it in some other ways. How about we're gonna use it as reverse? So let's change the direction to the other way. So we are having the same chase counterclockwise. Maybe we can do mix with the first one and the second one at the same time. And again we can just tick tack tick tick tack. We can tap the tempo and maybe go faster and faster and faster and faster, maybe slower, faster, slower, like that. For the next one, we will use our preset 3 on an FX. Let's drop something which is very chaotic, maybe something insane, and it's insanity. Yeah, what's that? Let me just drop it. Okay, so it makes insane. It makes everything go insane like that. That's fine. So let's choose our preset 3 and drop it on top of the effect. How about that? It looks so good. And let's also control the BPM by tapping them. Tick tack tick tick tack that. Bim bum paka chika boom boom pak boom paka chika boom pak. And for the next one, let's try this very same effect on something else, even more crazy. So for the last experiment, let's drop our third preset on maybe a camera. Let me just drop the built-in webcam from my laptop. So this one is giving me a smaller size. Let's just scale it up somewhere right here. It looks good. So on top of this layer, let me just drop the chaser on the camera. Hey, that looks good. Maybe change the preset to fill for this one, so I will be filling all the slices. And right on beat, maybe tick tack, my head goes a rotating dick. That's good.
If you feel this video is helping you out, hit a like, maybe subscribe as well. I am so looking forward to how you push this idea and take it far. Speaking of pushing far, this video was a basic idea to learn the starting point of these endless possibilities. Let me know in the comment below if you want to learn about more advanced ideas. See you next time.